Hello everyone, myself Jeel Shah, an intern from Nutan College of Physiotherapy. Today we will learn about SWD, that is short wave diathermy. Short wave diathermy is a high frequency current producing physiotherapy modality which is used for heating. This heating modality has a frequency of current of about 27.12 MHz. These are the pad electrodes which we use. There are different kinds of other electrodes like the disc electrodes. These electrodes are used to transfer heat which is produced by this machine. The placement of the electrodes can be monoplanar, in which only one is used at the affected area and the other is placed away. Thus, only one will give heat. Second is the coplanar, that is, we will keep it adjacent. Other is contraplanar, that is, if this is an affected part, we can keep it in opposite direction. And last is the crossfire method, in which it is used diagonally for half of the treatment time and then it is placed like this for half of the treatment time. Now we have a patient for low back pain. So first of all, we will ask patient to remove any metal things which they have, like their cell phones or ring. All these devices are kept away. We will first place the electrodes. For back pain, we will place it in the coplanar manner. After placing the electrodes, we will make sure that these wires do not cross. Afterwards, we will place a towel so that there will be no direct heating, and also the wires are covered so it does not get in contact with the patient's body. Last patient to line supine line. Now, for working, we will switch on the main switch. Afterwards, switch on the. Then we will set a timer. After that, we will increase the intensity according to patient. Are you comfortable? Do the tuning. Tuning is done as in cases of the SWD in which ammeters are there. SWD is given in cases or in conditions of osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, and in all the conditions in which heating will help. The main purpose of the SWD is to provide heat to the tissues. It will help in increasing the temperature, thus it will also increase the metabolism. Due to that, there also will be vasodilatation, thus the blood circulation will increase. It will lead to an increase in the rate or the speed of healing. Thus, SWD is also very useful. But also there are some contraindications, like if there are any metal implants, then it is contraindicated. Also, in cases that patients are very sensitive, then it is not given. Care is taken in patients which are diabetic, as there is alteration in sensations. Also, if patient is wearing any metal or also if there are contact lenses. In acute conditions, it is given for about 5 to 10 minutes and it can be given twice if needed. In chronic conditions, it can be given for 20 to 30 minutes. Thank you.